Looking for a pizza pan that actually delivers? The American Metalcraft TP Series wide-rim pizza pans promise even heat distribution and durability, making them a solid choice whether you're cooking at home or running a busy restaurant kitchen. These pans are crafted from heavy-duty 18-gauge aluminum, ensuring your pizzas bake evenly and come out perfectly every time. What really stands out is the thoughtful design. A wide rim with a raised edge keeps your pizza safely in place, so you won't have to worry about toppings sliding off when you slide it in or out of the oven. Plus, with sizes ranging from 6 inches to a generous 20 inches, you can pick the perfect pan for any pizza size or recipe you want to try. Whether you're baking a classic margherita or a loaded meat lover's pie, this pan has you covered. Here's the kicker. These pans come from American Metalcraft, a brand with over 70 years of experience in the food service industry. That means you're not just getting a random kitchen tool, you're investing in a product backed by decades of expertise and trusted by professionals nationwide. And despite the high-quality build, the price is surprisingly affordable. At just around $4 for a 16-inch pan, it's hard to find a better value in pizza cookware. One honest review from a first-time buyer perfectly sums it up. They weren't sure if they'd even like using a pizza pan, so they opted for a budget-friendly option. The result? A well-made pan that exceeded expectations without breaking the bank. Yes, it's made in India, not the USA, but for this price, that's a trade-off many are happy to make. It's a great way to test the waters before committing to a pricier, American-made alternative. If you're someone who loves making pizza but doesn't want to spend a fortune on cookware, this pan is worth a look. It's sturdy, reliable, and designed to help you bake better pizzas with less hassle. Whether you're a casual cook or a budding pizza maker, the TP Series pans offer what matters most: even heat, durability, and a smart design that keeps your pizza intact. Ready to upgrade your pizza game without overspending? Try the American Metalcraft TP Series wide-rim pizza pan when you're ready. It's a simple, affordable way to bake, serve, and enjoy pizzas that taste like they came from your favorite pizzeria. Give it a shot. You might just find it becomes your go-to pan for every pizza night.